Good afternoon. I am Advocate Vinay Lakhani and I am an advocate by profession. And there are three very important things which are required in my profession. Number one is a healthy environment for workplace should be very healthy with the latest equipments. Secondly, you should have a comprehensive knowledge of what you are doing. योर प्रोफेशन के मेरे को आपको अपडेट्स रहने चाहिए लेटेस्ट. और तीसरा सबसे बड़ी चीज़ है अ हेल्दी बॉडी एंड अ हेल्दी माइंड. सो ड्यूरिंग लास्ट 1 month I had a shattered eye vision and I couldn't see properly. So which was an impediment in my profession. मुझे बड़ी दिक्कत हो रही थी. So I was fortunate enough to come to Dr. Rajesh Bhatia. This Chandra High Hospital is such a unique experience for me that the workplace is very healthy, the environment, the people, they are very caring, and above and overall it's a complete, you feel very good after the surgery. I feel elated and the results are so outstanding that I would recommend everybody with an eye ailment to come without thinking to Dr. Rajesh Bhatia Chandra Eye Clinic, and it is one of the best equipments in northern India. I vouch for that. With the past 1 month, I feel very elated that I have come to the right place. I am very lucky. Jai Mata.